Hey, it's Roger, and you're in the memory optimization section for Chapter 6 of Train Your Brain for Success. Chapter 6 is all about the tools that you have, the smart reading tools for enhancing both your comprehension and your retention of what you learn from this book and every other book that you read from this point forward. We talked a little bit about how you've got some retention tools that I called retention boosters. Those would be your tuned up reading abilities, the ability to use effective highlighting, and the concept of margin notes. We also talked about a retention blaster. What I said, if you want to just blast your ability to retain what you read through the roof, you're going to want to use what we call full notes. So let's take a moment and create an image utilizing your unicorn list that's going to help you visually see and retain these main concepts. So if you recall from your unicorn list, number 6 for Chapter 6 was a beer. That's right. What I had you visualize back in Chapter 3 was the concept of you drinking that beer and retaining all of it. I'll show you another way to create an image that's going to act as a good trigger for you. I want you to visualize that you're drinking that beer in a tent. All right? So you're drinking the beer in a tent. Very good. Inside of that tent, there's a couple things that you're seeing. One of them is a booster chair, like a booster chair that a child would sit in at a table or a car. See that vividly in your mind. The other thing that you've got is a bomb, okay? So you've got boosters and blasters. In the booster chair, there's 3 things that I want you to visualize around or in that booster chair. I want you to picture yourself inside of that tent, giving that booster chair a tune-up. Sitting in the booster chair is a highlighter, and then just around the edge of it, what you're going to do is you're going to write some notes just around the edge or the margin of that booster chair. Now the bomb that's sitting next to it, that thing's got notes all over it. In fact, it's full of notes. You got it? Take a moment and rewind if you need to, but let's just get that image in your mind. So you're drinking your beer in a tent. Very good, because Chapter 6 is all about retention. Very good, you guys. Inside of that tent, you've also got the booster chair that's getting a tune-up. Sitting in the booster chair is a highlighter, as well as there is some notes. But where are they on the booster chair? They're just around the margin. Very good. Now the bomb, your retention blaster, has notes where? All over it. It's full of notes to help you visualize the concept of full notes. See, this is interesting. I've been timing this. And in the last 3 minutes and 20 seconds, you just committed all of the main components, all the main ideas and strategies from Chapter 6 of Train Your Brain for Success, and you've got it all in there visually. If you need to rewind it a couple times, it's not a problem. You're doing terrific work. We're going to move out of the reading section now and into the section about how to design your record-breaking life. Come back and see me after you're done with Chapter 7.